Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of Forex crypto trading. Now I know what you might be thinking. Forex? Crypto? Sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as intimidating as it seems. In this beginner's guide, we'll break down a safe and effective trading strategy that anyone can learn.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
First things first, what exactly is Forex crypto trading? It's simply trading currencies like the US dollar or euro against cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Think of it as exchanging one currency for another, hoping the one you buy increases in value. The beauty of Forex crypto trading is that it's open 24/7, offering tons of trading opportunities. But here's the catch: the market is volatile. Big price swings can happen quickly, which can be exciting, but also risky. That's why you need a solid strategy to navigate these waters. Think of trading like driving a car. You wouldn't just hop in and start driving without knowing the rules of the road, right? The same goes for trading. Without a strategy, you're essentially driving blindfolded. A trading strategy is your roadmap to success. It helps you identify trading opportunities, manage your risk, and make informed decisions, not emotional ones. For beginners, I recommend the trend following with support and resistance zone strategy. It's simple, effective, and perfect for understanding how the market moves. Imagine you're surfing. You wouldn't paddle against a giant wave, would you? You'd want to ride the wave to shore. Trend following is similar. You're identifying the direction the market is moving and riding that trend to potential profits. Here's how it works. First, pick your pair and time frame. Start with popular currency pairs like BTC to USD or ETH to USD. For beginners, a 4-hour or daily time frame is ideal. Next, spot the trend. Is the price generally moving up, an uptrend, down, a downtrend, or sideways, a sideways trend? You can use tools like the 50-period exponential moving average or EMA to help you. And finally, look for confirmation. Don't just rely on one indicator. Look for candlestick patterns like a bullish engulfing for uptrends to confirm the trend. Alright, so support and resistance zones are kinda like the walls of a trading channel. Support acts as a floor. It helps prevent the price from falling further. Resistance, on the other hand, is like a ceiling. It keeps the price from rising too high. First, you'll want to identify key levels. Just look for previous highs and lows on the chart. These often act as support and resistance levels. Next, go ahead and mark your zones. You can draw horizontal lines on your chart to highlight these areas. These lines will really help guide your trading decisions. And finally, trade the bounce. If the trend is going up, consider buying near those support levels. If the trend is heading down, look to sell near resistance levels. So let's talk about risk management. Honestly, it's the most crucial part of trading. It really doesn't matter how solid your strategy is if you're risking too much on each trade. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. That way, even if you hit a rough patch, and trust me, everyone does, you won't blow up your account. Now, make sure to set stop-loss orders. These will automatically close your trade if the price moves against you, keeping those losses in check. And don't forget to take profits strategically. Set your profit targets in advance so you can lock in gains when the market swings in your favor. For tools and platforms, TradingView is great for charting and analysis. And if you're looking for reputable brokers for Forex or crypto trading, Exness and ByBit are solid choices. Just remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, journal your trades, keep an eye on global news, especially economic and crypto-related updates. And hey, never stop learning. Good luck out there. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and the notification bell icon, subscribe and share. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and it will respond it accordingly. Stay tuned because next we'll talk about where to keep trading safe and sound. And for those who can help support this channel because we are not yet monetized and we need a pro video editor to improve our videos to make the images and effects more realistic and appropriate to the theme, please do not hesitate to donate via Gcash at 09355433948. Your donation will help us improve our videos. Thank you very much for your understanding.